Mr. Edison's best-known invention, his discovery of the electric light bulb, literally revolutionized the illumination of the world.
I'd worked at big corporations, I'd worked at very tiny startups, and DiCon is kind of in the middle. It's small enough to be a company that can respond nimbly to the marketplace, have a high focus on specific aspects of technology, but at the same time it's big enough to have the resources to really do a good job with a high technology product. DiCon was instrumental in buying a coating chamber from a company that made one of the best coating chambers in the world, and figured out hardware modifications, custom software, and a variety of improvements to enable that coating machine to perform at a much higher level than the basic stock product off the shelf. And it was a very collaborative effort with the maker of the coating machine, although DiCon sort of had a proprietary ownership in some of the customizations that gave us a real edge in the marketplace. My name is Bob Schleicher. I am VP of Product Development.
Our president and CEO, actually, he's so passionate on technology. He's a very, very good role model for us, that all the people to follow it. You have to have those heart, spirit, then you can create some product with spirit with it. Those things can lead your product so unique, totally compared different to other people's. My name is Jonathan Lewis. I'm Chief Engineer.
DiCon is a unique company because they have the technology from the very basic level all the way up to the finished product. And there's also an idea DiCon has created this technology, how they want the technology to be used. Of course, customers always want something specific and there's a market application, and so you have to find an application where there's a market for it and it's something that's in DiCon's strength. My name's Leona Miller and I'm the Sales and Business Development Manager.
When it comes to the lighting, you can expect DiCon to work hard to understand what the customer actually needs. And a lot of times they have a certain visual in mind, and that visual we try to understand and deliver back to them. For Felix lighting, camera lighting, color rendering is the most important part. Not just giving a white light, but giving a light that will produce the different colors as well as any traditional lights that photographers and filmographers are used to, so that there's no surprises. With DiCon LED lights, they're different from traditional LED lights because the color rendering of our lights is similar to the traditional lights. My name is Shani Naba. I'm an applications engineer.
When I think about what it's meant to me to work here over the last 5 years, it really has been the ability to, when I talk to friends or when I talk to people, to tell them what I do and have pride in what I do and be able to say, we build fiber optic switches. Well, nobody really knows what a fiber optic switch does or how they work, but it doesn't really matter when you're able to, you can tell them, well, when you watch a YouTube video, well, that YouTube video is transmitted through fiber optic cable all across the world. And the switches and the components that we build help make that possible. When you watch a movie or see a great photograph, the lighting fixtures and the measurement tools that make those things possible, we build. To be able to relate things that you do and things that you're proud of to people who don't necessarily understand them at a technical level, but can understand their effects and can appreciate their effects is something that really makes me feel good about working here. My name is Eric Abbott. I'm a mechanical design engineer.
We are one huge team and we all have to cover each other's back. We're all a part of a step-by-step process, and if we can't work together, then it's not going to work at all. So that's what's really important to me, the people. My name is Anna Lau. My title is just about everything. I have a very large business card.